Imagine a world where your phone disappears. No screen, no notifications in your pocket, because everything is happening inside your eyes. This is not science fiction. This is what Apple Inc. is secretly working on. And if this becomes real, the iPhone might be over. Right now, you look at a screen to see the world. But what if the screen looks at the world with you? Apple is reportedly developing smart contact lenses, tiny, invisible devices that could replace your phone completely. No one sees them. No one knows you're using them, but you have unlimited digital power. These are not normal lenses. They use ultra-thin displays, smaller than a grain of sand, placed directly on your eye. The moment you wear them, a digital interface appears in your vision. Messages, calls, maps, everything floating in front of you. No need to touch anything. You control it just by moving your eyes. Here's where it gets crazy. These lenses use something called micro-LED technology combined with sensors that track your eye movement. So when you look at something, it knows exactly what you want. Blink once, open a menu, look left, switch apps, focus, select. No hands, no voice, just pure, thought-like control. Imagine walking in a new city and directions appear right in front of you. You're talking to someone and their name pops up instantly. You get a message and read it without anyone noticing. This is not just convenience. This is a completely new way of living. But here's the scary part. If Apple releases this, your phone becomes useless. No more screens, no more scrolling. Everything becomes invisible. And when technology becomes invisible, it becomes powerful because you don't even realize how much you're using it. Experts believe this could happen within the next few years. Companies are already testing prototypes, and Apple never enters a market late unless they're about to dominate it, just like the iPhone changed everything in 2007. That could be the next revolution. So the real question is, are you ready for a world without phones? Because the future might already be in your eyes. Subscribe if you want to see the future before everyone else.